10 years from now, life might look very different from what we see today. Technology is growing faster than ever. But what will our daily lives look like in 2035? How will people live, work, travel, and even think? Let's take a look into the future. Today, in 2025, many of us live with smartphones, smart TVs, and smart homes. But in 10 years, these smart things will feel slow. Imagine waking up in 2035. Your home knows your schedule. It adjusts the lights, the room temperature, even your breakfast, all by itself. No buttons, no commands, just life made easier. Say goodbye to screens everywhere. Instead of phones or laptops, you might wear smart glasses or even smart contact lenses. Need to message someone? Just blink. Want to search the web? Just ask, and the answer appears before your eyes. Robots won't just be machines in factories. They'll help at home too, cooking meals, folding clothes, or caring for the elderly. They'll feel more like helpers, maybe even friends. Education, that's changing fast. Forget boring classrooms. In 2035, kids could explore the solar system in virtual reality, or visit ancient cities without leaving their room. Learning will be faster, fun, and personal, made just for how each student learns best. Jobs? Most of them won't need a desk. More people will work from anywhere, thanks to fast internet, AI assistants, and virtual meetings. This means more freedom and a better balance between work and life. Transportation will also be smarter. Self-driving cars will be normal in many cities. No steering wheel, no traffic stress. You sit back, relax, and your car takes you safely to work. And flying taxis? They might just become real. What about the environment? The good news is, clean energy will be everywhere, from solar roofs to battery-powered planes. We may finally see cities with less pollution, more green space, and fresh air. Not just cities, even villages will change. With faster internet and delivery drones, people in remote areas will have better access to education, jobs, and healthcare. Life will feel more connected, no matter where you live. Healthcare will be smarter too. Doctors will use AI to spot diseases early, even before you feel sick. Surgeries might be done by robots, with less pain and faster healing. Your smartwatch might even alert you before a heart attack. In 10 years, the world will feel smaller, but more connected. Language barriers gone, thanks to real-time translators, making friends across the world easier than ever. But here's something important. Will life really be better? That depends. Technology can give us tools, but it's up to us, people, communities, and leaders to use it wisely. We must choose to care for each other, to protect our planet, and to build a future where no one is left behind. The future can be amazing. A world of comfort, connection, and creativity. 10 years may sound far, but it starts now. With the choices we make today,